Here's the best way to make a watertight fitting for a water system when you're using threaded pipe. Grab the pipe with your left hand, grab your Teflon tape, place the tape over the pipe and start wrapping in a clockwise direction so that as you tighten this pipe into the fitting, it'll continue to tighten the tape on the threads. You can see I did about 4 wraps. Now that I've got my 4 wraps on the pipe, I'm going to add some pipe lubricant. This is always a good idea. It's also called thread sealant. You don't need a ton because the more you put on, the more it's going to end up in your water system. So you want to make sure that you just add enough. That's a good amount right there. And I place the fitting on it, hand tighten till it's nice and snug. Then once you've got it that far, you're going to grab your wrenches and give it a couple more cinches. Now we have a seal that'll easily hold the 50 to 80 psi that a water system's pressurized at. Good luck out there.